Windows 11, resetting without reinstall. Keep your files safe and fix performance issues. Welcome to ITMaster. Is your Windows 11 computer running slow, freezing unexpectedly, or not performing as it should? Instead of going through the hassle of a full reinstall, there's a smarter way to fix your PC while keeping your personal files safe. In this video, we'll show you how to reset Windows 11 without reinstalling everything from scratch. It's fast, simple, and effective. Why resetting is better than reinstalling. A complete reinstall of Windows 11 takes time, wipes all your apps and settings, and can cause data loss if you're not careful. Resetting your PC with the built-in Windows 11 Reset feature allows you to refresh your system without losing your personal files. You get a clean system, improved performance, and your documents, photos, and settings remain untouched. It's an ideal solution for common problems like crashes, lag, broken apps, or driver issues. Steps to reset Windows 11 without reinstalling. Open the Settings app. Click on the System section. Select Recovery. Under Recovery Options, choose Reset this PC. Click on Keep My Files. Follow the on-screen steps to complete the reset. This process will remove apps and reset settings but will not delete your personal files. Important things to know before resetting. Always back up your important files before making major changes to your system, even if the reset keeps your files. Windows will provide a list of apps that will be removed during the reset. Review it carefully. After resetting, you'll need to reinstall your removed apps and reconfigure some settings. Your files will remain intact, but your system will return to default settings for better stability and speed. Summary and benefits. Resetting Windows 11 without a full reinstall helps you fix common problems quickly. It saves time, preserves your personal data, and removes problematic software or settings. It's one of the most effective built-in tools for restoring your PC's performance. If this video helped you fix your Windows 11 computer, make sure to subscribe to ITMaster for more helpful tech tutorials and Windows solutions. We publish smart tips, practical guides, and powerful fixes to keep your digital life running smoothly. Thanks for watching. Stay tuned for the next tutorial.